Imagine this. You're running a marathon or trapped in a sweltering heat wave, and suddenly, sweat is pouring down your face. Most people think sweat is annoying, maybe even gross. But did you know that sweat can be your superhero or your secret villain? Yeah, that sticky stuff dripping from your skin might save your life, or if you ignore it, could quietly destroy it. Let's dive into the surprisingly powerful world of sweat, why it happens, when it's good for you, when it's a red flag, and what science says about harnessing it and avoiding the dangers. So why do we sweat? Sweat isn't just gross water coming out of your pores. It's your body's natural air conditioning system. Think of it as an invisible shield that protects your brain, heart, and muscles. According to research, sweat regulates your body temperature, helps remove toxins, and even keeps your skin healthy. But here's the cool part. Your sweat glands aren't all the same. We have eccrine glands all over the body that cool us down when it's hot or during exercise, and apocrine glands, mostly in your armpits, that kick in during stress, not just heat. That's why you get sweaty palms before a big presentation, but not while binge-watching Netflix, usually. And speaking of Netflix, what your sweat looks like can tell you a lot about your health. Yep, your sweat has secrets. Let's start with the hero side of sweat. Sweat can save your life. Number 1. Cooling the body. Your body can overheat in minutes if it doesn't sweat efficiently. Sweating keeps your brain, heart, and muscles safe. Studies show that people who adapt to heat properly and sweat efficiently have a lower risk of heat stroke and heat-related illnesses. 2. Detoxifying. Your sweat contains trace amounts of metals like lead and arsenic. Sure, it's not a replacement for your liver or kidneys, but it helps your body expel some harmful substances. 3. Immune boost and skin health. Sweat contains antimicrobial peptides, tiny proteins that fight off bacteria. Ever notice your skin feels amazing after a hot gym session or sauna? That's partly your sweat doing its superhero work. 4. Stress relief and mood lift. Sweat triggers endorphins, the feel-good chemicals. That post-workout glow. That's your sweat whispering, you survived, and you feel awesome. But here's the twist. Not all sweat is a hero. Some sweat could actually be a warning sign that your body is in trouble, and ignoring it can be dangerous. Here's what to watch out for. 1. Excessive sweating or hyperhidrosis. Is sweating without a reason, especially at night, which could signal thyroid issues, infections, or even heart problems. 2. Sweating with chest pain or shortness of breath. This is a classic warning sign of a heart attack. According to the American Heart Association, cold, clammy sweat during exertion should never be ignored. 3. Foul or fruity-smelling sweat. Sometimes, a sudden change in sweat odor can indicate metabolic issues, like diabetes or liver problems. 4. Lack of sweat or anhidrosis. Not sweating enough can be just as dangerous. Here's the scary part. Your body gives these signs before it's too late. So, how do you know if your sweat is working for you or against you? That's where paying attention to your own sweat can save your life. Now that we know sweat can save or warn, let's learn how to read the messages it's sending you. This is where it gets fascinating. Think of sweat like a secret code from your body. Here's how to decode it. Color and consistency. Clear sweat, usually normal. Milky, thick, or colored. Could be a sign of infection or liver issues. Where it shows up, sweating on hands, feet, and armpits is common. Sweating on your back or chest at night might be a thyroid problem or hormone issues. When it happens, stress sweats are normal. Sweating while resting or sleeping. You should check it out. Volume. Some people naturally sweat more than others, but sudden changes in sweat production can hint at underlying conditions. Pro tip, staying hydrated, exercising, and using saunas or hot baths can train your body to sweat better and improve your health. But ignoring abnormal sweat patterns? That's a risk you don't want to take. Here's the takeaway. Don't just sweat, you should understand your sweat too. Hydrate before, during, and after activity. Regular exercise trains your sweat glands and your body's cooling system. Saunas or hot baths can boost detoxification and cardiovascular health. And most importantly, listen to unusual sweat patterns. They could save your life. So sweat, it's your body's built-in superhero or a red flag waving at you. Pay attention, stay hydrated, and don't ignore weird changes. Next time you feel that drop of sweat on your brow, remember, it could be saving your life or warning you to take action. Either way, it's worth paying attention. See you in the next video.